This is a horizontal flow wrap packaging machine with rotary jaw. The whole machine is controlled by 3 servos, 7-inch touchscreen display, easy operation, and clear working stasis. Equipped with an air filling function and an alcohol spraying device. Prevents food oxidation and avoids crushing deformation during transportation. It's suitable for packaging baked goods such as mooncakes, bread, biscuits, medical equipment, candy, medicine, daily necessities, hardware parts, cartons, or trays. The maximum packaging speed can reach 250 bags a minute. Configurable with cover open shutdown function. Prevent mechanical injuries and ensure operational safety. This machine can be customized to your request. To learn more, please contact us. For more, subscribe to my YouTube channel.